I got this job by chance. A little bit over 10 years ago, I was driving a truck, and it was just a temp job, and they let me go. And I ended up going into a employment agency, and they said, well, can you weld? And of course, I've got, 30 years of experience. I said, sure, I can weld. So they sent me out here to CDI. I'm a welder. I don't put parts in a jig, and I don't have to weld 20, 30 parts an hour. I weld bigger things, but we get a blueprint, the parts come in, you look at the print and you build it, you put it up on stands, you square it and weld it up. So to me, that takes a little more skill than just putting a part in a fixture. Even the assembly lines, you don't just put things in fixtures out there and put them together. It's more of like construction type work, but it's good work. Sometimes it's just the small things that I think make people good employees and make you feel like you're really being appreciated. And I just think it's a real good place. So I'm glad I'm here.